Tell me when. Well, how y'all doing today? I got Ian here helping me. We're finally going to get around to doing some updates on some of the stuff that's been going on. Been out of town for a little while. As you can tell, we got some unboxing to do, and not just for one project. So this has already been opened, but he's going to open this one up and show you first off what we got. Pop them out. Alright, walk up and show those to the camera. What we got, what we're looking at are 1/2-inch bead rolling dies for the bead roller. Pretty much every car we have out here has something that can be patched with these. One of the other ones, come on up here, that we got. Now this is a reman, and it's supposed to be a factory A904 high stall converter. So it's just supposed to be reman. It's not extremely high stall. We're looking at 21 to 2400 RPM is what they're claiming, but tried to stay with something that was the actual factory Chrysler high stall to go along with a couple of these projects, and we'll see if it works. If not, oh well, money spent. But if it does work, it should help if we decide to go to the No Name Nationals with the Swinger or anything else that we've got a 904 in. And it'll also help with the penalty box racing stuff that we're trying to do. Alright, go ahead and open that one up again. Okay. I've had this Bowie knife right here since I was actually a little younger than what he is. Open it right here. Right there. Okay. And just be forewarned that all this stuff is not for one car, it's multiple cars. Watch out how you never cut towards somebody. Cut away from them. Alright, put it up like this, see if it'll come up. So, this particular piece is not going to get you any horsepower gains, but it is going to help finish out part of that project over there. Actually factory used bumper filler, the lower grille for Plymouth Satellite, or in our case a Plymouth Roadrunner. Now you'll be seeing more of the Roadrunner videos now that I've actually got the bonded title started on it. So we'll have the bonded title in hand here pretty quick. So that's what this is for. Go, next box. These parts are decidedly not Mopar or Dodge. But in this case, what we do have is a nice torque box for the 67 Fastback. I decided I wanted to take and put in the extra reinforcement because we actually may try to do some carving corners and some nice little curves and stuff like that instead of just regular driving. The next item is also, not sure which side to go on this one. is also for the fastback. My initial gut instinct is move yourself real quick.
Okay. All right.
Is to try to go through and get running driving the vehicle that I've actually had the longest, other than the vehicle we're sitting everything on, which is this truck. My second longest vehicle is the 67 Fastback, and every time I try to get something really well done on it, something always comes up real long. So we've ordered some items to continue with it. We got windlass for the interior. This right here, where'd I put that now? This right here is actually an adapter. This adapter right here, if I can ever open it, adapts power steering to manual steering on a car that you want to go back and forth between. In my case, I actually want to go back to the manual steering for the moment because I don't like the factory power steering for this car. Included in here, I've got an extra resistor wire for the ignition. That one can either work on the Fastback, or more than likely I'm going to be using it as a spare for the 63 or the 65 Fairlanes that I have. And of course, assorted bolts. Electric fan relay. All I've got it on is a on-off switch right now, so this will give me a thermostatic control. Let's see here. These are your turn signal lights that go inside. The little indicators for your that go inside the hood on that particular year model. 67 and 68 actually have a flat hood, has two indentions for these. Drive shaft safety loop. It actually connects to your bolts for your seat belts. And another item that doesn't necessarily get you more speed, but this car definitely needs, is a grill. The other one was so bad it wasn't even funny. Dust cover for the transmission. And some of the foo-foo stuff. Lower knee pad for the inside dash. Just because I'd rather get that part finished up. Because as you'll see in some of the updates, I'm working on the interior on that car. More so than anything else. It'll actually start and drive. The windlass, like I said, that's to take and go through, finish putting in the headliner the rest of the way. Any of the trim panels that actually need it. I bought a little bit extra just in case, because they say this is about 17 feet that you need. I bought about 20. So, those are those. I forgot this one. This one I got an extra piece because I have another car that y'all haven't seen and probably won't see for a while till I get it here and finished paid for, but it is a titled V-body as well. Here I have for the other one But this piece I didn't have. This comes with the latch, the lever for the latch, spring, and this will fit on the other 69 Roadrunner. So that's our parts for right now. I still gotta put all this stuff back up, but I'm gonna put the bumper filler in there, and maybe I actually may even swap this out with the one that's already there, since this has got the down piece and I need it on both of them. But that's the unboxing for stuff, and you'll begin to see some of this stuff going on and some of this stuff getting done.